and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from CraftArtClub. They were kind enough to send me some goodies. Now I'm not going to go for the big one first because I know it's big. I'm going to go for one of these. Then I might have space on my desk. Let me grab my tape measure as well as lovely pair of my box standard IKEA stickers. Work like a treat. And let's have a look at what the first one is. Oh, looks like a partial special to me. It is. So this is another one of, it's very similar to one I've unboxed before. And it sort of looks like it's a quilt type picture, but it's actually a diamond painting, and it is, as I say, a special, and it is a partial. So we've got a few different diamonds here in the bigger sizes on the flowers, and then you use the smaller ones to create the background. It's down as a 30 by 40. These do flatten, but when there's not as much, or any glue on them, so because there's not much glue down here and there's no glue on this fold here, they take a little bit more. They've not got the weight of the glue to help them stay. But the actual image size, because it is a partial, but the image size is 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres. You do get a toolkit, boat wax pen. I've sort of gotten a rhythm now of saying them in that order. But these are the diamonds. So to show you, there are some that are the standard rhinestones, same size as the circle diamonds. And we've got a couple of greens and a purple. Then we've also got some orange, quite a bit of orange actually, some silver and some yellow, and also some sort of yellow stroke green. Looks a little bit brighter yellow. But then we get into sort of the other diamonds. So we've got a couple of packs of these. They're sort of a bronzy brown type colour. Then we've got some silver. We've got some yellow, orange, and some yellow there as well. So these are quite fun. I like to do these as sort of evening projects. I open a bag of diamonds and just put as many down as I can of that bag. So just do the whole lot. And then I go through and do the next colour. I normally actually do them in number order. So I do the small number ones and then the number twos. And I just sit there and do as much as I can that evening. And then maybe do it again the next evening, depending on the size. But they're fun little projects that don't take too long. So that's number one. Number two, I can get in it. I will pop links to all of these down below, of course. This one is another partial, but I think this is normal diamonds. Let me just, oh, wrong end. That's why I couldn't get in it. Helps if I do it at the right end. It's still poured glue. Does come, oh, it is rhinestone. It does come with a toolkit, but you also get a set of tweezers in this. But I like this because of the brightness. The image really sort of stood out to me as being nice and bright. It has 14 different diamonds, lots of sparkle. It's down as a 30 by 30. The actual canvas size is just over 24 by 24. And you may be able to see you do a lot inside the glass and of course the outline of the glass. There is some gap here, no diamonds go on this. Then there's just a few in the sky, and then you do the flowers down the bottom. So it really makes it, a partial can really pop if the background doesn't have diamonds on it. basically. But a lot more of these are your standard rhinestones. So we have, there's a turquoise and then a green. There is a slight difference between those two. Not much, but enough that it will give you a nice little bit of shade in there. That looks to be the two colours that are used in the leaves, so that's quite nice. Then we've got some purple and some orange, a more vivid orange, pink and blue, more blue. Those two are also different shades of blue. Then we've got, that's actually a burgundy, looks a bit brown, but I'd say that's a burgundy, a red, a silver, and then we have some red with an AB coating, so a bit pearly. Then we have some black with what looks like an AB coating. That gives it like a blue tint. And then we have some gold. And are they gold on one side and not on the other? Yeah, they are. I was trying to work out if it was two different ones, but it's not. The top side of it is gold and the flat side is just clear. So it's a clear diamond that's had a coating put over it. I like that one. That one's fun. Fun and bright. I do like nice bright diamond painting. So that, and you get some tweezers, so bonus. So that's that one. And then we'll go back to the big one. Did get a little bit squashed, but it will flatten out. Let's get in this one. Ooh, this is a 40 by 50, and if I remember rightly, this one is also a square. For those that like squares, it is a square. Ooh. So you get a toolkit, boat wax pen. You don't get DMC numbers on this one. So that's the only thing. It's down as a 40 by 50. Canvas size is just short of 35 centimetres for the drill area. Just short of 35 by just short of 45. So you lose a few centimetres around each edge. But with the dark background, which I think is a 939, looks like a 939, which is a very, very dark blue, borderline black. It does really make the flowers poppy pop. So to go through, we do have some white, nice blues. I like a good blue. Then we have like a dark blue, that's more like 3750 maybe. Then we have some really nice pinks, so we've got a good amount of pink for shading. Yeah, this is 939. We have 7 bags for the background of that. Let's say they don't come with the MC numbers, but from diamond painting for a while, that definitely looks like a 939 to me. It's not a 310. Then we have some more gorgeous blues and some more reds, also with a little bit of more of a purple burgundy type colour. But yeah, I think that is very, very striking and would look absolutely gorgeous in a black frame, maybe. Maybe go for a pink frame for a bit of colour, but a black frame would look good. So yeah, we have square flowers, and then we have 2 special diamond paintings with this one. 2 completely different sort of vibes and types, but I will pop links to them all down below, of course. Let me know your thoughts on today's selection, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.